All right, let's get started. The first All right, let's get started. The first step is to break up the crab meat. You'll need a mixing bowl. First, break up the crab meat, removing and discarding any cartilage. Then put the crab in the mixing bowl. The next step is to chop the basil. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Finally, chop the basil leaves. Add the breadcrumbs to the bowl of crab meat. Next, add the basil and the beaten egg. Add the mayonnaise and the mustard. Now, add the Worcestershire sauce. Add some salt and pepper and stir the mixture thoroughly. Divide the crab cake mixture into equal amounts and mold each one into an oval shape. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to fry the crab cakes. You'll need a frying pan. Put the frying pan over moderate heat and add the cooking oil. Melt the butter in the pan. Arrange the crab cakes in the frying pan and fry over moderate heat until golden brown. Turn the crab cakes over, reduce to low heat, and fry for about 2 minutes so that they cook all the way through. Transfer the cooked crab cakes to a serving dish. Garnish with a lemon wedge and watercress. They're ready to eat. Well done!